Happy Teacher's Day, Mother Dragon!
We miss you. I love you so much. Thank you for your learnings.
Hi, Ma'am Gina. Happy Teacher's Day.
Hi, Ma'am Gina. Pangkapilang take na ninako jud, and this is the final take. Bita, Ma'am. I just wanna say Happy Teacher's Day, our Mother Dragon. I miss you so much, and I miss your advices. And among dali ra maduulan nga teacher pag senior high na ko. And I just wanna say thank you, Mom. Bitaw, Mom. Thank you for breathing fire into our hearts, not to burn us, but to ignite our courage, discipline, and love for learning. Your guidance, strength, and motherly care shape us in ways that we will carry for a lifetime. And we are truly grateful for your wisdom, patience, and fair dedication. Wishing you more strength, Ma'am, joy, and fulfillment as you continue to inspire many more students, and laban lang siya. Amara to, Ma'am, ay taraba ko sa kitchen basig nagibita kitchen. Bye-bye. I miss you, Ma'am. Makabalik ulit ako sa BST. Pohon. If pasulong ko sa guard, pasulong ko kay Aldo. Bye-bye, Ma'am.
Hi, my Mother Dragon. Happy Teacher's Day. I missed you so much. Gimingaw na kay kunin mo. I hope you know that I appreciate your whole existence, and you've truly become a part of who I am today. And I'm very, very grateful for that. And I'm very, very grateful that we met. Thank you for everything, for all the knowledge and lessons you've shared, Namo, and especially to me. Thank you for being my mama and my teacher at the same time during my senior high school days. Gimingaw na kay kunin mo. I love you so much with all my heart and my soul, and I'm very, very glad that you exist in this lifetime. I love you and I miss you. Happy Teacher's Day!
Hi, Ma'am Gina! Happy Teacher's Day! It feels like yesterday na pamidira, no? Nag-label ko sa account title gamiton for journal entry, tas kung saan pag-balance sa FS, kung saan pag-bank code, tas karon, Ma'am, kay third year na ko, Ma'am! I really think like I owe you huge thank you for guiding me through those early years sa accounting. Bitaw, Ma'am, thank you kaayo for all the lessons, like sa classroom, unsay normal balance sa mga accounts, then asay debit, asay credit, asay asset, liability, equity nga accounts, unsay kontra asset nga accounts. Kay they really like laid out the foundation for my degree. But aside from that, thank you for also, Ma'am, sa life lessons nga imong gihatag. Not just to me, namo jud tanan. Gikan sa disiplina, sa critical thinking, analysis, like until karon gamit yun na mo. Dili ra sa when it comes to ACADS, but like life in general jud. So thank you jud kayo, Ma'am Gina. Thank you so much for not just being a teacher to us, but like being an actual mentor, an actual second parent nga nag-guide na mo, nag-encourage, ning believe na mo kung sa imong capabilities, and ning push na mo to do better in life. Not just sa ACADS bitaw, like life in general jud, Ma'am. So thank you kayo. I hope today you are reminded how amazing you are as a teacher and as a mentor, and how grateful we are, kami tanan, nga you became a part of our journey. So, welcome, Ma'am. We miss you, Ma'am. Happy Teacher's Day, Mother Dragon. Love you.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers, especially to our advisors. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Gina. You are one of the best assets for our future. We love you with the love of the Lord. Yay!
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do thanks to you.